Hello, Namaskara students. Hope you are doing well. Practice for the Sainik exams, which is in 5th April 5th, right? So we will solve this practice set now, which we practiced, right? Isn't it? Yes. How was the paper? Everyone, tell me. How was the paper? Was it easy?
Sir, little bit. One was easy, one was sir
Okay.
normal.
Normal. Okay,
I don't
fine.
answer for that. Sir,
Okay.
medium.
Is it? Okay, fine. So let us
Normal.
solve the. Okay, fine, fine.
Normal.
Let us solve the questions now. Okay. So these are the questions, right? So first question, that is of maths, right? So
TF14 no sir.
Okay. So if you see first question, the average attendance of a college of for the first 3 days of a week is 325. So first 3 days, right? For 3 days 325, and first 4 days 320. How many were present on the fourth day? So there is first 3 days. So 3 days how much? Average, that is 325. So we have to find the sum. What you have to find? You have to find the sum. Sum will be average into total number, right?
Number.
So that is average is 325 for how many days? 3 days. Okay. So if you multiply, you will get the sum for 3 days. Now what is the sum for 4 days now? Yes.
320.
So 320 average, isn't it? Average into total number. How many days? Okay. So into how many? 4 days, isn't it? So if you multiply and minus from 4 days, if you minus 3 days, you will get 1 day, right? So that will be for 1 day. They are asking fourth day, that is the 1/4 day, 1 day, which is the fourth, right? For the 1 day. Okay, that is fourth. So if you multiply, so 325 5 is 3 is how much? 975, and 324 is how much? Yes,
Sir, it's
1280. So if you minus, what will be the answer here? Yes, 0 minus 5 5, and then it will be 0,
Sir, you
and
wrote
then
ulta.
3
Sir, you're
305.
doing
Yes,
opposite.
I wrote ulta, but you should know how to minus, right? Direct.
Sir, I did it same.
Yeah, that is we have to minus 1280 minus 975. You will get how
Sir,
much?
but you wrote a
305.
zero.
That is answer option D here.
Sir, one.
Got it?
One. No, 315.
Array, I have written here, right? So I did it reverse, that's fine, but I wrote here, right? Once again. So that is how, what you have to do? You have to do it. 305 is the answer. Okay, now everyone got the same answer? Any doubt
Yes,
here?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, good. Yes. Now should we go next? This is very easy. These type of questions you should know, because they will ask. Profit earned by selling an article for 1450 is same as loss. Same as, I told you, same as loss means what you have to do. So they have given the two selling price. One is at loss, one is at profit. So what you should do? We should add selling price. So what we should do? Add selling price and divide by 2. Divide by 2. Okay.
Recording.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So what we have to do here, that is, when it is what? Selling price is both selling price and cost price, that is selling price is given, and if they ask same as, if they tell same as, profit and both loss are same, means what you have to do? Add the selling price and divide by 2, isn't it? So let's add it and divide, then what will be the answer here? Yes, how much is the selling price? First 1450 plus 1280 divided by 2. So what will be the answer here? Yes, 1400, 1200, 2600, 50, 80, 130. So 2730 divided by 2. If you divide, what will be the answer?
1355.
Yes, 1355.
1355. 1355.
Okay. So 65 it will be 1365, not 55, isn't it? Yes, 1365. Okay, understood? So that is easy. Now I will tell, don't worry. Okay, so this is for second question. Now what about third question? How do we do? a 225-meter long train and 45-meter platform
Sir, it
is
is
crossed in
1356, sir.
18 seconds. So the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. I told you. So total distance, it will be how much? Distance will be train plus what? Platform. Train plus platform. So train is how much? 225. Platform is 45. Total will be how much? 270 meter.
270.
Yes. So 270 meter is the total length. Now how do we find speed? Distance by time. Distance is how much? 270 divided by time is how much? 18 seconds. 18 seconds. So it will be meter per second. So if you cancel 18 how much? 18 ones 18, isn't it? So 18 ones 18 means if you cancel remaining will be 9. 18 5 90. So 15 meter per second. So 15 meter per second means how much we have to multiply to convert it into kilometer per hour?
5 by 18.
Yes, we have to convert it into, means we have to multiply with 5 by 18 or 18 by 5.
Sir, 18 by 5.
18 by 5 we have to convert. So 5 3s are 15. 15 18 3s are
54.
so 54 kilometer per hour will be the answer. Okay, kilometer per hour. Understand? Yes. Okay, good. So next question is what? That is fourth question, right? So it is also easy question. So how do we do? What is the difference between 4-digit maximum and minimum number formed by this? This is very easy. Yes.
Greatest and
You do homework. Okay. This is easy. I will not explain. Understand? Okay, good. So now let's go to fifth question. Okay. So what is the fifth question? Yes. So that is which of the following is equivalent to this? So that is direct, easy question, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So how do we do? Huh? So
Then we
here,
have to multiply by 100.
no, that is not the question. Which of the following is equivalent to this means
Sir,
which
that time
answer?
we have to multiply.
Yeah, which answer is this? From
Sir,
which answer is this?
57.01.
Will it come? We have to check. Okay. So which answer will come? So percentage means we have to divide, or if you want to find from the question we have to multiply. Yes, as have I said, right? So fifth answer. Okay. So fourth is a homo, isn't it? So let's multiply here. That is 0.5701. To add percentage, we have to multiply with 100%. Now two zeros are there means decimal point will shift 2 times. So it will be 57.01%, right?
Yes.
So 57.01% means option C, or you can go with options, and option C will be 57.01. Percentage means
Sir, it will take long time.
divide by how much? 100. 2 zeros means what will happen? This will shift 2 times this side. So it will be 0.5701. So answer is option C. Okay na? Understand? Okay. So now let's go to the next year. So what is the sixth question? Yes? If 100 men can do 100 jobs in 100 days,
Sir,
then
1 day.
a man can do one job in how many days?
1 day.
So what?
100 days.
Yes, 100 men can do 100 jobs in 100 days.
Sir, 1 day, no?
Okay, we'll see.
100 days only.
Yes. So see here. So don't be confused. 100 men. How many men? 100 men. One man will be 100 men means 100 men. One man will be 1 by 100. Yes. And 100 job. 100 jobs are there.
100
One job means 1 by 100. And 100 days. Now one day will be 1 by 100. Okay, so now they are telling one man, then one man can do one job in, so one man and one job, it will be 1 by 100, one man, and job is 1 by 100, so it will be how much?
Sir, one man can do one work feet 100 days only, sir. Yes, sir.
No, no, no. Okay, otherwise 100 days is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see here, you may get confused in that. We'll do little different. How? That is here total work of all the people, men, job, and days. So how many are there? How many men? 100 men. How many jobs? 100 jobs. Right? 100 jobs. How many men? 100 men. 100 men, 100 jobs, and days is how much? Into 100. Right? Now, how many people are then? Men into days. Divided by men into days we do. Right? So, men into days divided by. Now, we need to find how much? Yes? We have to find for one man and one job. Yes? How many days? So here it will be actually 100 men, 100 jobs. That is confusing, but answer is 100, right? You can logically think of it, because one job means we have to remove this 100 jobs.
Sir, we know that.
We have to remove. This is a job. Yes, this is a job means we have to remove jobs. 100 jobs. If you remove, it will become 1. Now one man means we have to remove 100 men. Men also we have to remove, right? Isn't it? So remaining will be 100 days. Okay.
Logical question was there.
So that is, if you see here, what we did. Once again I am telling. That is, there is only one man. So we have to remove 100 men. You cancel it. 100 men. Only one job. There are 100 jobs they are doing. You cancel the 100 jobs also. Remaining will be what? 100 days. So one man will take 100 days. Understand? Okay. So now next, 7th question. What is it? Mahesh invested amount this much at simple interest. He got amount of 13,496 at the end of 2 years. At what rate he invest? So how much he had? 12,050 he had, and he got how much? 13,496. What is the profit? That is the interest. What is the interest? I. That is if you minus.
1446.
So if you minus, this is the amount, right? 14496 minus.
1446.
Yes. So 050. Otherwise you can go 12,000 to 13,000. 1,000. 1,496. 1,496 if you minus on 50, it will be 1,450. That is 46. That is the interest. So they are asking interest rate. How do you find the rate? Rate is interest divided by interest into 100 divided by PT. So interest is 1446 into 100 divided by how much here? Yes?
125 was.
Principal is 12050 and time is how many years? 2 years.
Sir,
Okay now?
2 years.
Yes, this is the time and this is the principal and this is the amount. Okay? Yes, this is the amount, this is the principal. Interest if you minus, you will get the answer. Okay? So here cancellation.
0 get cancelled.
1 0. So 2 5s are
1
10 and 5 how much are?
5 1
5
5
2s are
2 4 1
4s are 1s are 241. Now 241 how much are? Now nearly around 2 6s will come. Yes, 2 6s are 12. So 2 7s are 14 will come. So 2 7s are we cannot get. So 2 7s are, which is the nearest to 7? Nearly 200 is there. 200 7s are nearly it will come. Actually 6 point will come. 6 it will be. So 6 means answer C. Got it? 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. It will go more. So 2 6 answer 6%. Got it? Cancellation.
Sir, no point will come, sir. Exactly it will
Exactly
divide.
6%. Yes, exactly. It will be what? 6% answer. Okay na? Yes. Okay, good. Now let's go next, that is eighth question. Unit digit of the product of 6 even numbers. Always even numbers. First 6 even numbers. So 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, then what will come next?
12.
Yes. So 12. If you multiply with 0, answer will be
0.
0 itself. Right? So 0 answer. Right? If you multiply all, you will get 0 only. Okay? Understand? So next, if each side of a square is triple, then the perimeter will be. So how do you find perimeter? 4 into
Square perimeter
4 into side.
4 into side.
So side become 3 times. 4 into this side becomes 3 times. So 3 times means again it will be 3 times. 4 into side into 3 times. Right? So it will become 3 times only. Perimeter will also become how many times? 3 times only. Okay? Understood?
Sir, it will become 2 times now, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Now let us solve the 10th question. Right? So what is it?
sir, they give mental ability.
Hmm. So here in an examination, Rishabh got 18 marks more than Gargi. Mithi got 10 more less than Gargi. That if the trio means all three got 161, then what is the marks obtained by Mithi? Right? So let us write it. Rishabh got 18 marks more than Gargi. Rishabh R got 18 more means 18 plus Gargi, and Mithi got 10 less than what? Mithi got 10 less means minus, so then Gargi minus 10, Gargi minus 10, Mithi, then all of them got how much? Yes, so that is
151.
yes, Mithi plus Gargi plus how much? That is Rishabh will be 161, all the three. So here Gargi is how much here? If you change, if you take this side, it is less R minus 18. Yes? Huh? Okay. So and if you take methyl, let it be Mithi. Okay. So here Gargi means how much? Here let it be. Otherwise don't write. So Gargi means okay. So Mithi we want. So Gargi will be Mithi plus 10 na? If you take this minus that side, it will be Mithi plus 10 na? Yes. So Mithi plus 10, and here Gargi is there. In Gargi place we write 18 plus Mithi plus 10 na? Yes. Rishabh means this Mithil I wrote here, this one. Understand? Yes, Gargi means. Okay. So here in this you write it down now. That is Mithi plus Gargi plus Rishabh is 161. Mithi we need to find. Mithi you keep. Gargi is how much? Gargi is Mithi plus 10. So Mithi plus 10. Okay na? And then Rishabh is how much? 18 plus Mithin plus 10. Right? 18 plus Mithi plus 10. It is how much? 161. Mithi is how many times? 3 times. Right? So 3 times Mithi plus 10 is here. 10 plus 18 plus 10. It is how much? That is 38 is 161. So if you take that side, it will minus 161 minus 38. It will be how much?
Sir, it's 100.
30 you minus 131, and then if you minus 8, it will be
23.
123. So that is 3 times Mithi is 123. So Mithi 3 times means if it is goes that side, it will divide. So 123 divided by 3. So 3 4s are 3 1s are. So 41 answer is the answer. Okay. Or you can do what? Options. What you should do? You should go with options. So if you take A option, Mithi as 41. Now Mithi is what? Gargi minus 10. So Gargi will be Mithi plus 10 if minus goes that side. Right? So Mithi plus 10 means 41 plus 10. It will be 51. And Rishabh is what? Yes, Rishabh is 18 plus Gargi, 18 more. 18 plus Gargi means 51. It will be how much? Hmm? 69. So if you add Mithi plus Gargi plus Rishabh, that is 41 plus Gargi is we got 51, right? So 51 plus 69, it will be how much? 161 na? So that is why A is the answer. Okay na? You can go with options. Yeah, options wise it will be easy. Understood? Okay.
Sir, I did like.
Okay, students, see here, and one more is this. That is 11th question. 11th question is very easy. If two angles of a triangle are 80 and 30 respectively, then the third angle. What is the angle sum of the triangles? Yes? 180 degree. Isn't it? So from 180, how much we have to minus? First 80 degree and 30 degree. 80 degree if you minus, it will be 100, and again 30 degree if you minus, you will get 70 degree. Answer is option E. Okay, so it will be 70 degrees. Both angles we have to minus, or you can add 30 plus 80. Both you add and minus at a time. That is 180 minus 110. Again you will get 70 only. Okay now?
Okay, sir.
Both you add it and then a minus. It will come. Okay. Now let's go to the next. That is 12th one. Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 10. If one of the side is 8, find the length of the other side. I told you should remember triplet of Pythagoras. Pythagoras means triangle, right angle triangle, isn't it? So what you should remember? You should remember the triplets. What are the triplets? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So they have given hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. 5 is the hypotenuse. 4 is the other side and 3 is the other side. That is perpendicular, and we take it as base. Okay. So here this is given 10. So 5 to the 10. 4 to the 8. So 3 to the will be 6. Understand? So here this your answer will be 6. Yes.
Sir, we can do equal to square
Yes.
equals perpendicular square
Yes.
plus base square. So 10 square is 100, sir. 100 minus 8 square 64, 36 will be there, sir.
Yes.
6, square root of 36 is 6.
Yes. So hypotenuse is square plus perpendicular square plus base square. So that is, if you take this other side, it will be square root. So perpendicular square plus base square. So perpendicular is how much? That is, sorry, here we need to find the what? Perpendicular, right? Minus we have to do hypotenuse square minus base square. Okay. So here 10 square minus how much? 8 square. So 36 it will come. 100 minus how much? 64. It will be 36 root is how much? 6 answer. So both are you can do. Remember this triplet. They will directly give you the easiest one only. Okay. Understand?
Sir, sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, upside you solve, no? 3, 4, 5 minus triplet you solve, sir. 3 into 2 will be 6 and 4 into 2 will be 8 and 5 into 2 will be 10, sir. 6, how 6 will be the answer, sir? 8?
Okay. So here once again I will tell, that is what 13th. So sum of two numbers is 49. 1 by 9 of a first number is 5. So find the second number they are asking. So sum means add first number, second number is 49. Sum 1 by 9 of first number. 1 by 9 of means into. So first number is 5. So 9 if it goes that side, it will multiply. 9 5 is 45. So 45 will be the first number. If you minus, then you will get the second. That is 45 minus 49. That is, if you do, you will get 4 answer. That is answer B. Okay now? Now next 14 question. So what is the 14th question?
Sir, answer is I got 4 by 9.
Yes, A is 5, B is 8, A and C is 3. So here just you have to write it down. So A is 5. 3 5 is how much? 15. I am writing directly.
So
Plus
15 plus
4
32 minus
4B. 8 4 is 32. Minus 5C means
minus 15.
3 5 is 15. C is 15, right? 15. I am directly writing. or should I write? Once I will write here. So 3a.
Sir, don't write,
3a
sir.
means 3 5s are, plus 4b means 4 8s are, and minus 5c means 5, how much are?
5 3 are
5 3s
C.
are, c is 3, divided by, now I will write direct here. So 5 7s are how much? So that is 4 7
35.
a, 7 5s are 35,
35 plus
plus
64.
8 8 8s are, that is
64.
8b, 8b is 8, 8 8s are 64, minus 9 3s
Minus
are
27.
27.
27.
So now you cancel 15 minus 15, it will be 0, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
this will become 0. So 8 4s are 32 will come, divided by, right? This will become 0.
35 plus 64 is, sir, 99.
Yes.
Minus 27 is 72.
Yes, you minus it, it will be easy. So first 27 minus 35 minus 27 will be how much? That is 8. 8
Eight.
plus 64, 72.
72.
Right? So 72,
Sir, now,
it will come in which table? 8 table. 8 4s are 8.
8 4
8 9s are answer. Okay na? So that is 4
Yes,
by
sir.
9 answer, option B. Okay, good. Now next 15th question. What is it? Simplify this. I will do directly. 3 minus 3 0. 0 into 8
Zero.
0 only. So 3 minus 0 3 only. So here 3 minus 3 0. So 3 is the answer. Okay na? Direct is this. You do it. Now
Sir,
find
I
the
didn't
least.
got the answer, sir.
3
Sir,
is the
I
answer.
did. Sir, 3 minus.
Now, which is the next question? 16th. Find the least number which when added to 6 becomes exactly divisible by this. 12, 16 and 260. When added to 6. So you find.
Sir, I got option D.
Okay.
D, sir.
Array silence. Fine. We don't have time. Listen. So here
Sir,
divisible by.
31.
Listen. Divisible by means what you have to take? You have to take HCF. That is
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
LCM. Divisible by.
Sir,
These two means.
Sir.
Divides means HCF. Divisible by means you have to take LCM.
LCM.
So you take LCM. What you have to do? You take LCM of all these numbers. So 12, 16, 20. It will come in 4 table. 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 5s are. So all will not come in same table directly. 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. 48 5s are how much?
240.
So 240 is the LCM. So 240 means we have to add 6 to this. That is, we have to minus 6 from here. So minus 6 is 234. So then if you add 6 to this, you will get 240 again. Then you can divide it. So 234 we have to minus. Right? Understand? So if you add 6, you will get 240 again. So then what you can do? You will get the answer as 240, that will be divisible.
Option D,
So
sir.
234 means option is option D. Or you
D,
can go
sir.
with options. What you can do? You can go with options, or
Sir, I went through options only.
yeah, that will be easy. Okay na?
LCM divided by HCF into one number.
Yes. So
So 28
17.
will get
What is the 17? LCM of two numbers is this. HCF is 7.
Sir,
So
LCM
first
into
number
HCF
is
divided by one number.
35.
One number.
The other number. How do you find the other number?
140 into 7
Yes.
is 35.
HCF into LCM divided by what?
LCM, one number.
One number. Okay. So HCF is 7. LCM is 140 divided by 1 number is 35. 7 5s are, and then 5 if you divide, it will be how much?
Sir, 5
2s are 10, 5 8s are 40. So 28 is the answer, option
Option A, sir.
A. Okay na? Okay, good.
Sir, people
Next.
into this, people into this.
Yes, 18th question. It is easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir, people into this.
So 5 men can piece in 4 days. How many men will be completing the same work? 1 man. How many days? 1 man. So people into days. People into days divided by people into days. So people are how many? 5 into 4 days divided by people is 1. So 1 means 5 4s are 20. 20 by 1 is 20 only. Option A here. Okay, good. So next, average of 4 numbers is 18. If the average of first 3 numbers is 14, then find the fourth number. We have to minus the
Sir,
sum.
option A, sir, 30.
Yes. So sum we
4
have to
into
minus.
18 is 72.
Yes. So 4 sums, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 19 sum of 4. So sum of 4 will be 4 numbers. That is average into total number. So 18 into 4 numbers, 72. And sum of how many numbers? 3 numbers. So average is 14 into 3. So 14 into 3. So that is 42. So if you minus 4 numbers and 3 numbers, you will get the one number. So how much will be the answer if you minus?
Sir, 72 minus 42 is 30.
30.
Sir.
So answer is option?
Option A, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now?
sir.
Good. Now
Sir,
1 kilometer in meter is how much?
1000 meter.
1000 meter, kilo means 1000. So 1000 meter.
Yes, sir.
Now
1000 meter.
121.
Option A,
A
sir.
train covers a distance in 12 hours. How long will it take at twice the speed? So twice the speed means
21 by 2, 6, sir.
6 hours. Time is doubled.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
6 2 sir.
speed is doubled. Time will be less. Okay, now? So that is 20 first. Okay, now?
Correct.
So that is what will happen? Distance is same. Now how do you find time? Time is distance by speed,
3.
right? So it will be half. So here it is, if you consider 12, speed is doubled. So 2 times means 2 times of the speed now, right? So if you take time, that is distance by speed. So 12 hours, this will be doubled. So doubled means 2 times of speed. So 2 how much? 2 6 12. So answer will be how much? 6 hours. Understand? Yes? Speed is double 2 times. So that is 2 6 12. Understand? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go next. Any doubt for anyone? Let me know. No doubts?
No, sir.
22 now. A and B got 80 marks and 20 marks in an examination. The ratio of the marks scored by A to B. How do we find the ratio? Yes? We have to divide.
Divide,
So,
sir.
A got how much? 80 marks and B got 20. So, what will be the option? So, scored ratio of marks scored by A to the total.
Sir, no,
See
sir.
here. Okay.
A to the total marks. Total
Yes,
is
yes.
100.
So,
80 to
A
100.
divided by
Sir,
total.
100.
Yes. So, A
100
is
divided by
80.
sir.
Total is how much? 20 plus 80. Understand? Because A is 80. Total means A plus B. A is 80 plus B is how much? 20. So 80 by 20, 100. So 10 cancel. 2 4s are 8. 2
4
5s
by
are
5, sir.
10.
Answer option
So 4
C.
by 5 means 4 is to 5. Understood? Okay now? Okay, good. An alloy contain a copper and zinc in the ratio 4 is to 9. The zinc required to be melted with 36 kg of copper is. So an alloy contain copper and zinc is how much? 9 by 4. 9 is to 4. The zinc required to be melted with 36 kg of copper. So if copper is 36 kg, zinc will be how much? Tell me. 9 4s are 36. Here also we have to multiply with the same. 4 4s are 16. So zinc will be how much? 16 kg. Understand? Yes? Option is B answer. Okay na? Or you can do cross multiplication, you will get the answer. Yes? Now 24. A man completes 5 by 8 of a job in 10 days. At the rate, how many days will it take to finish the job? Yes? So here 5 by 8 is how much? 10 days. Isn't it? One full. Full means we have to complete full. Full means how much we have to take in the fraction, tell me? 1. When it is in fraction, full we take it as 1. 1 will be how much? Cross multiply. That is 1 into 10 divided by 5 by 8. This will be reciprocal. So 1 into 10 is 10. So 10 into 8 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 8s are how much? 16 it will be. So answer is option
16. Option B. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, answer is 8.
hmm?
Sir.
So here that is what he has. Total will be 16 days. Full means total. So total how much? That is 16 days. Okay. So in that 16 days how much day is completed? 10 days over. 10 days over means remaining will be 6 days. So they are asking more. So more means 6 more days we needed. 10 days is completed means. Understand? Okay. Now 25. A can do 1 by 4 of work in 3 days. B can do 1 by 6 of work in 4 days. How many days will together do the same work? Okay? Yes, yes.
Answer is option A. Yes, option
Okay.
D, 8 days, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. So 25 here. Okay. So A can do a piece of work in 1 by 4 of the work in 3 days. So A is how much? 1 by 4th is 3 days. Right? So full will be directly you multiply. 1 you will get right. 4 3s are 12.
12 days.
12 days. Okay na? Here also we can do. This also we can do. So here 5 by 8 is there in 10 days, right? So you just take this 5 and 8. So it will be reversed. You will get the answer. Directly you can do. Okay na? So here and B will be how much? 1 by 6 in how many days? 4 days. So full will be directly 6 4s are 24 days. Understand? Yes? Huh. So
Sir,
you
there is a
see here.
avoided.
Okay, fine. Okay. So 1 day is now A's 1 day will be A 1 day work will be how much? That is full 12 days, 12 pieces. 1 day will be 1 piece. So 1 by 12. Now B's 1 day will be how much? 24 pieces. 1 day 1 piece. That is 1 by 24. Understand? So total together means A plus B. Isn't it together? Yes? So together means A plus B. That is 1 by 12 and 1 by 24. 24 will be the LCM. Here we have to multiply with 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 24 means 1 by 8. So reverse we have to take. So total days will be, that is 8 by 1. Just take reciprocal. Okay? So 8 is the answer. That is reciprocal. Okay na? Of this. Understand? So answer is option D. Okay?
Sir, why you took reciprocal?
That is how you have to do, because that is the time. Understand? Now a bus covers a distance of 33 in 45 minutes. What is the speed of the bus?
Sir,
So
we should
speed is distance by
45 minutes
time.
into hours,
Yes.
sir.
Distance is how much? 33 kilometer and time is 45 minutes. 45 minutes means how many second hour divided by
3 by
60.
4.
Divided by 60. Yes, 3 by 4 or divided by 60. That is we have to do. That is if you cancel with how much? 15. 15 3s are 15 4s are. That is 3 by 4 hour. Understand? Because minute
13
to hour is
33
divided with
into
60.
4 by 3, sir.
So 33 divided by 3 by 4. So if you take that side, it will be 33 into 4 by 3. That is 3 11s are 33, 11 4s are 40.
44.
4 is the answer. 44 means option A. Understood? Yes? Okay. Next 27. A 150 meter long train running at a speed of this much take to pass a standing man on the station. So 150 meter. Distance is here 150 meter. Now
Sir,
speed is how much? 60.
Sir, we
Wait.
convert speed into meter.
Yes, kilometer per hour. Here meter is there. Meter we have to convert. So meter means 5 by how much? 18. So now,
Sir,
how do you find time?
sir,
Wait,
they
wait.
not give length of
Sachet,
man.
don't speak in between. Wait, I will come. Hmm? Time, how do you find? Distance by speed. Distance is 150 divided by speed is 60 into 5 by 18. This will go up. 150 into 60 into what it will be? Reciprocal means 18 by 5. Now you cancel it out, you will get the answer. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9 is the answer. That is option B here. Okay, tell me what is your doubt now.
Sir, they not give length of man, no sir.
Man, this much it will go, don't worry, doesn't matter. Platform will be long, right? Platform will be long, so we have to consider this. Man is only, it will doesn't matter. Okay,
Sir,
now
sir, complete.
yes, next, that is 28. So what time will it take for an amount of this to yield 81 as the simple interest at? It is direct. So how do you find the time? That is what time. What time means we have to find time. Okay.
SI into
Yes.
100 divided by
So
P into
interest
T,
into 100
P into
divided
R,
by
sir.
PR.
P into R.
Yes. Its interest is 81 rupees. 100 divided by principal is how much? 450 into how much? Rate of interest is, that is 4.5. Okay, here 1 0 cancel, this point will shift. So 81 into 100 divided by 45 into 45. Okay, now you cancel it out. 9 5 is a 45 and 9 5 is a 45. 5 5 is a 25. 25 4 is a 100. So how much answer? 4 is the answer.
4 years.
Okay, yes. Okay. So
Yes,
28
sir.
is done. 29. Diagonals of a two square and they're in the ratio 3:4. The ratio of their areas. So what will be the ratio of the areas? How do you find the ratio? Area of a triangle, that is square. When diagonals are given, area is,
Half into diagonal square.
yes, half into diagonal square or diagonal square by 2 or half. So ratio means it will be diagonal square only. Diagonal square by 2 means, ratio means it will be diagonal square by 2. This 2 cancels in the ratio. So diagonal square. So 3 square is how much? 9 by
3 square,
16.
6.
So 3 square is to 4 square. It will be 9 is to 16.
9 is to 16.
Understand? Yes?
Yes, sir, understood. Sir, no, I didn't understand. Sir, I didn't know the formula itself.
Otherwise, square area, listen here. Area, how do you find? Square of the square, that is length into breadth. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Diagonal square is to diagonal square. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So 3
What
square
is
by
diagonal
4 square.
sir?
So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay?
Sir, how denominator and denominator can be done?
Next. So 30. It is very easy. Find the LCM. Get the answer. Okay? Homework. Next, distribute 1200 between this Rahul Naman in the ratio 2:3. How much amount will Rahul get? So how do we find the share? Yes? Share is equal to Rahul into amount divided by total. How many are there? So Rahul's share is, this is Rahul. First is Rahul and Naman is next. So total is how much? Rahul plus Naman, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Yeah. So Rahul is 2 into amount is total 1200 divided by how many total parts? 5. 2 plus 3 5. So if you divide and cancel, you will get the answer. So it will be how much? 5 2s and 5 4s 242 is 480 answer. Okay, na? Yes. Now this is also easy. Will you do answer?
Sir,
Yes.
today how much minutes you will take class?
I will tell. So see here, so 4 is there, right? It is easy. Will you do this? That is one decimal place. If you shift here also it will shift, so it will become 12.40, means 4 you write it, divided by 4 plus how much, that is 124.0 means 124, divided by 4, divided by 4 means same. So 12.4 plus 124 by 4 means how much it will be? 124 plus 12, how much? 136.4.
The one that
136.4 divided by 4. You cancel with 4, then you write the answer. Will you do it? Ha. So 4 3s are 12,
sir,
remaining 1,
34, sir, 34.
4 4s are 16.1. So 341 answer is where? Divided by 10 answer, because 1 point will shift means it will be 341 by 10 answer. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, so now let us see the 33rd question. If you divide 0 by 60, then the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder are respectively. So if you divide 0 by 60, we can divide 0 by any number, so answer will be 0, the quotient, and the remainder will also be 0, right? So this is the quotient and remainder will also be what? 0 only. So this is the divisor. So answer will be, this is the dividend first, dividend is 0 here, right? So dividend is should be 0, and then divisor, the divisor is what? 60, isn't it? So 60, and then quotient is also 0, remainder is also 0. So answer will be option A here. Now 34, what will be the multiplicative inverse of the rational number 5 by 19 multiplied by its additive inverse? So here 5 by 19 is there, so that is the number. So what they are telling, first multiplied by, we have to do this first, multiplied by its additive inverse. Additive inverse means if you take 4, additive inverse will be minus 4, that will become 0. So answer should be 0, like that. 4's additive inverse is 4, minus 4. If it is minus, then it will become plus, plus means minus. So here 5 by 19 is there, 5 by 19's additive inverse will be minus 5 by 19, then it will become 0, right? So we have to multiply that. If you multiply, it will be what? Numerator we have to multiply, and then denominator, isn't it? So here 5 5s are 25, that is minus 25, because minus 19 19s are 361. Now they are telling multiplicative inverse of this answer. So multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse means we have to get answer 1. So with what we should multiply, that is 361 divided by 25. So 25 cancel, and 361 cancel, but minus is there, so that is why we have to take minus. Same number, just reciprocal we have to do. So multiplicative inverse will be 361 divided by 25, and minus is there, minus you keep it as it is. So answer will be option A here. Okay, next the value of this. So let's divide it. 2 how much are 2 3s are 6, and 3 minus 3 is how much? 0 answer. So that is 3 minus 3 0. So 0 plus 7 is 7 here. So 7 will come for this till here. Now 7 2s are 14. So 14 will come. 14 plus 3, that is 17. 17 into 2. 17 into 2 is 34 answer. So option is option D here. Okay, good. Now next is, that is, this is 34, and then this is 35 we did. 36, So what is the 36? If this is then the value of this, so that is 1 divided by how much? 36.18 is equal to 0.0276. That is the answer. Now we have to find the answer for this. So let's, how many times you have to move? There are 2 decimal places, and then one, there are like how many decimal places we have to move? Yes, that is 2, 4, 5 decimal places we have to move. So in the numerator also we will move 5 decimal places. That is in the answer. So it will become how many? If you move 5 decimal places, 0.000 and then 3618. We moved how many times from here? This we moved, right? So we moved 5 times. So 5 times in the answer also. So 0 point here, this is there, right? So let us move 5 times. So already 4 times is there, 5 more zeros will come, isn't it? That is sorry, so that will be reversed, so here so okay, so we have to go reverse like this. That is, this is 4 times, and then one more time will come, so that is why it is 2760 answer. 2760 means option B will be the answer here. Okay, now next is what? 37. Okay, so in a certain sum is doubled in 8 years on simple interest. How many years will it be? 4 times. If a certain sum doubles in 8 years, doubles in 8 years means that is the what? It will be, so here let's go with an example. So if you consider you have 100 rupees, it becomes double means 200 rupees. How much more? That is 100 more. That is, what is the interest? What is the interest here? 100 more. That is the interest. Okay, now so it happened in how many years? That is 8 years. Okay, so what will be the rate of interest? So rate will be interest divided by time. That is the 100 divided by 8. That is how much is the rate? 12.5%. Okay, so that will be the rate. Now for it to become 100 rupees next, right? So it is telling 4 times, right? So 100 rupees should become how many? 400 rupees, 4 times. So how much we have to add? That is the 300, right? That is should be the interest. So how many years it will take? For that we have to take time is equal to interest divided by rate, because rate we know it is how much? 12.5. so interest is 300 divided by 12.5. it will be how much? Let's shift this point, one more will come here. So 3000 divided by 125. Now let's divide it. So here 25 5s are, and 25 how much are? 25 1s are, and then 5 will be removed, 25 2s are, and 0s are, 120. Now again 120 is how much? 5 how much are? 5 2s are 10, 2 will be remaining, 5 4s are 20. So 24 years it will take. How many years? 24 years. Option A is the answer. Okay, so that is how we have to do. Don't be confused. If you multiply 8 3s are, sorry, 8 4s are, it will be how much? 32. Don't be in that way. Otherwise you can consider it as 4 times, right? So 4 times is double means one time we have to remove, so 3 times it will be. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 times. So we can multiply that 3 times. That will be easy. Next here, that is 38. What time is 5 hours 28 minutes before 3:28 p.m.? So 3:21 p.m. Before means we have to minus it, right? So let me convert this into 24-hour clock. So 24 hour means we have to add 12 here, 12 hours. So 3 plus 12 15. 15 is to 21, right? Minus how many hours? 5 hours and 28 minutes, right? So this before means minus we have to do. So here 28 we cannot remove, we have to borrow, so it will be 60 minutes we have to borrow. So it will become 60 plus 21, that is 81 minus how much, that is 28. So here 7 will be remaining, 7 if you minus it will be 53. Okay, so here 14 will be remaining, 14 hours. So 14 minus 5 is 9, 953 will be the answer, option D. Okay, now next, that is 38. This will be AM only because this is PM, right? So before that will be AM. Okay, so that is why answer option D. Now 39, prime factors of the number 720 are, you know directly you can do, that is 720. So I will do with 3, it will be faster. Okay, so 3 how much are, so 3 1s are 3, that is 3 2s are 6, 1 will be remaining, 3 4s are 12, 0 as it is now, 3 8s are 0, 3 will not be divisible now, so let's go with 2, 2 40s are 2 20s are, then 2 10s are, and then 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. So how many times 3 is there, 2 times, 3 2 is how many times, 1 2 3 4 times, and 5 is 1 time. So which option, here if you see, that is, so 2 is how many times, 4 times, 3 is 2 times, 5 is 1 time, that is the answer option D. You can do like that. Okay, now next, here that is 39 is completed. Now let's go to 40 question. So 40 is what, perimeter of a square and a rectangle are the same, the relation between the respective areas A and B will be. So here perimeter of a square and rectangle are same. Always remember the area of a square will be more, it will occupy more space, area of square will be more than rectangle. Okay, more than rectangle, so it will be like this symbol. So if you consider this as A and this as B, so A is greater than B. Okay, so A is greater than B means option A. Okay, now let's do next, that is 41. The area of two circular fields are in the ratio 16:49. If the radius of the latter is 14 meter, what is the radius of the former? The areas of two circular fields are in the ratio 16:49. So we know area, how do we find, that is pi r square, pi r square. So ratio means pi r1 divided by, there are two circles, and pi r2 square, there are two circles, right? So here 16, this pi cancels, so it will be what, r, here 16, that is 49. So square of which number, 4 square and 7 square. So former means first, latter means second. So first one is 16, so first one is 16 means this is the first, that is the former, this is the second, that is the latter we say. Okay, so former is 4, square means 4 is the radius, so option is here not given. So okay, if the radius of the latter is 14, they have given the radius also 14, right? Okay, sorry, that will be 8 answer then. So 7 square 4 square, right? So that is the ratio means, so 4 by, okay, here the radius is given, right? So here square means the radius will be 4 by 7 into, that will be equal to, latter is the second one is the below, so that is the 14 meter here given. So 7 2s are 14, right? So here also 14, 4 2s are 8, so 8 will be the answer here, 8 meter. So answer is option B here. Okay, now let's do the 42. A cistern 6 meter long and 4 meter wide contains water up to the depth of 1 meter 25 centimeter. The volume of the water is, So volume, how do you find volume? That is length into breadth into height. Okay, this is the 41st question, right? So here length into breadth into height. Long, length, this is breadth, wide means breadth, depth means height. So this is 1 meter 25 centimeter means 1.25 meter. Okay, so here length is 6, breadth is 4 into 1.25. So if you multiply, you will get the answer. So it will be 1.25 into 4. If you do, it will be 5. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 will be the answer here if you multiply these all three numbers. So 30 means it will be how much? Yes, that is option C here. Okay, so option C is the answer. Volume will always be in meter cube, not in meter square. Don't be confused. So now 43, the value of angle x in the following figure. So here these two angles are there. That is how much it will be? 180 degree, isn't it? 180 degree. Or you can take all these three angles, that will also be 180 degree. You can take anywhere. So this is 180 degree. I will take that easy. So 3x minus 5 plus how much? 2x will be 180 degree. Straight line it is. So here 3x plus 2x, it will be how many x? 5 total. So 5x. This 5 minus is there, if it goes that side it will be plus. So 180 plus 5, it will be 185. Now 5x means 1x will be 185 by 5. So cancel it. 5 how much? 5 3s are 15. 3 will be remaining. 5 7s are 35. So 37 degrees. 37 degrees means option D here. Okay. Now 44. The decimal equivalent of the Roman number, this, how much it is? M means 1000. So 2000 will be there, right? So that is 2000. And then C means CM. M means 1000. C before it comes means minus 100, that is 900. So it will be 900. This is 12, right? So 912. So 2912. Option is, that is option A here. Okay, 2912. Now next, that is 45. 6 and 5 by 6 into 5 and 1 by 3 plus 6 and 5 by 6 into 3 and 3 by 2 by 3. So what will be the answer here? Yes, so that is, if you write it, so in the improper fraction, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 5, it will be 41. So here 41 divided by 6 into 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 divided by 3 plus how much? Here also 41 by 6 into 9 plus 1 11 by 3, that is 9 plus 2, right? Now let's cancel it out. So here 6 into 3, 6 into 3 is there. Now we will not do the cancellation. What we will do, we will directly, 6 3 is 18. 18 is the LCM, both are same only. So here 41 into 60, right? 41 into 16. What will be the answer? 16 ones are 16, carry 1. 16 4s are 64, 1 65. Plus here 11 ones are 11, carry 1. 11 4s are 44 plus 1 45. 18, then you add it, 1 plus 6 7, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, and 10 plus 1 11. Let's divide. 18 ones are 18. How much are? 18 5s are 90, right? So 18 5s are 90. 18 6 are 108, and remaining will be how much? 2, right? So 18 ones are 18. How much will be remaining? 9. So 61 point answer will come. So 61 point means option B. Okay. Now here 46th question. The difference between the place value of two numbers in this, that is sevens in this, right? So 2 is here and here. After the point means that is will be hundreds. So 78 means 70 minus 0 point how much? 07. Okay, after the point means the same we have to take. So here nothing means point you give for 70 and 0 0. So here 3 will be remaining. I am directly taking 9 will be there, and then here 9 point, here 9 will be there, and 9 here 6 will be there, so 69.93 is option B. Okay, now next 47. What is the answer? 47, 12% of a certain sum is 96. What is the sum? Sum means that is of a number. So 12% of a number is how much? 12% is rupees 96. The sum means that is the full number. Full number will be 100%. 100% will be how much? You cross multiply, we will get the answer. So 96 into 100 divided by 12. So 12 8s are 96, 8 into 100, 800 is the answer, option B here. Okay, easy. So 48 now. Find the area of the rectangular field whose length is 25 meter and breadth is 15. So area, how do you find? That is direct length into breadth. So length is how much? 25 and breadth is 15. So 25 into 15. So it will be how much? So that is 25 tens are 250 and then 25 5s are 125. 250 plus 125 is how much? 375. So answer is option B. Okay, so these are all easy questions. You have to practice a little bit and it will be easy in the calculation. So now let's do 49th one now, right? So 49th, find the ratio of 3 meter and 330 centimeter. So 3 meter and 330 centimeter. So this 300 meter means 300 centimeter divided by 330 centimeter. Centimeter both same means it's fine now. So 0 cancels, 30 divided by 11, 10, 33. So 3 you divide 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are ones are. So 10 by 11 will be the answer, option B here. Okay, now 50 question. What is it? So study the following pie chart and answer the question. The total number of players is 400. What is the difference between the number of players who play football and kabaddi? So they have given total 400, right? So difference between the number of players who play football. Football is how much? 130. 130. And kabaddi is how much? Kabaddi is 70. So minus 70. So if you do, how much will be the remaining? That is 60. So answer is option C here. That is the difference. Okay, so you practice well, and also if any doubt you can comment in the comment box below and you will be perfect. Okay, so all the best for your exams. Practice well and also do suggest the new questions which you want to practice. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Bye bye.